together this Wicker Loveseat from Yitahome, and this is an amazing option for anybody that's looking for an all-weather option. This would be absolutely fantastic out on a three-season porch, any porch, your deck, your entryway. This will make a great option. What I love about it is how simple it was to put together. It's only 4 pieces. When you take the pillows off here, you're gonna see that it is so easy to put together. You just attach the sides and the back to the seat part right here, and then attach the legs. Very, very simple, easy to do. I was able to do it on my own in less than a half an hour. The parts are all completely labeled, and as well, you have adjustable legs on the bottom. So it's a steel frame wrapped in wicker. It's a classic, elegant style, versatile for so many spaces. This is considered the gray option, but I would say it's a little bit of a blue-gray because if you see against my curtains here, it looks fabulous. I absolutely love the ease of it. It's lightweight, and you're able to take the covers off of all the cushions to wash them, so making it excellent for your outdoor space or your entryway, like if you have a mudroom, and it's a great height as well because it's not too low. So you're able to easily stand up and get down out of this option. It is just under 21 inches in depth of the seat. It's 20.9, and then you're 47 inches across, so just 1 inch shy of 4 feet. Stylish yet simple, and like I say, extremely versatile, lightweight, easy to move around. Would like to thank Yitahome for sending this over so that I could create this shoppable video for you.